Hi there YouTube, my name is Tim and this is the 7th tutorial on C#, and this tutorial will cover functions and methods. Um, like in this program, we run a code multiple times. We navigate the web browser where we press enter in the text box, and when we um, press the go button. So this code should be placeable in a function. So we're gonna make a new function. It's really simple. I'm just gonna add it to the end. So public, and it's void, because we're not gonna return anything or something like that. So we can make this go. Just empty parentheses and your brackets, and paste the code in. This web browser 1.navigate in parentheses this.textbox 1.text. It isn't hard at all. And then we just go this.go, empty parentheses and a semicolon. Now that's all code you will have to paste in. And it should work just fine. Google.com. Yeah, it all works. But yeah, that's basically function, or is it a method? And they're really useful actually when you're making bigger programs. I always use them. They are friends of mine, and my friends, when we have a programming lessons and stuff in school, they're like, how can you have that many functions? And I'm like, what? It's just the way I program. And I think it's a lot more clean and it's a lot more easier to follow what happens if you have reasonable names on them, of course. Like this have go, you wouldn't have named this like blah, because when you go to the code, you see you run the function blah. What the fuck does the function blah? Yeah, so that's kind of what it is. I don't know what to do next tutorial actually. A notepad maybe. Then we can work with some files and stuff. That would be interesting. And then in the tutorial beyond that, maybe make a tabbed notepad. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. Because then you will learn to work with files and stuff. So I'll see you next tutorial. And thanks for watching this, which is like 3 minutes long. But yeah. Well, there's one more thing we can do actually. Here we have a void. You can return values always, also. Like you can make a public, and well, this is going to return a string. And it's gonna return, entered URL. And it's not gonna take any values or anything, so this is all. And you can say we're gonna return this.textbox1.text. We're gonna return that. And yeah, you can write this dot entered URL, just like that. And it's gonna return the string into here. So google.com. Yeah, still works. But what if I wanted to maybe use this function also for the home, which isn't the thing here? Well, I can say that this function takes a string and the string can be URL. And we're gonna navigate to the URL string. And if you can see, this is the variable. And here it says there's no method named go that takes 0 variables. That's because it takes a URL, but we haven't entered one. So just paste in this.entered URL and you're done. But now we can say this dot navigate, this dot home site. We can change this to this dot go and then this dot home site. It's still gonna work. If I press on home, we get to Google. If I go facebook.com, we get here. It isn't hard enough. Hard at all. I gotta stop saying enough. But yeah, now this all on functions and methods and stuff is covered. It's just basic stuff. It isn't hard at all. But thanks for watching this small little tutorial. Next tutorial we're gonna make actually a bit larger program that we're gonna use functions and stuff to save the file and things when using the notepad. But yeah, I'll see you then. Thanks for watching this. Have a nice day.